Class 10 exercise number 2.1, question number 8. Show that roots of the following equation are rational. When roots are rational, you know that when disk greater than 0 and it's a perfect square. B square minus 4AC must be greater than 0 and perfect square. Then roots are rational. Okay, dear? So here the given equation is a b minus c x square plus b c minus a x plus c a minus b equals to 0. This is my standard form of coordinate equation. So I hear it here a into b minus c, the value of b into c minus a, the value of c into a minus b, as discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac. I want to prove rational, so no need to put equals to 0, okay? So because when the roots are equal, then we put equals to 0. When we prove rational or irrational or something else or real, so we always write the disk and use the values inside, write equal under equal, okay dear? Write equal under equal, use the values inside. The value of b is b into c minus a square minus 4. The value of a is a into b minus c. The value of c is c into a minus b. B square, here c minus a square, I do directly apply the formula. C square minus 2, write AC, don't write CA, plus a square minus 4AC, we write here 4AC because a outside, c outside. Now these two brackets I multiply inside. B multiply a, give me AB, minus b multiply b, give me b square, plus minus plus minus c multiply a, give me AC in alphabetic form, minus minus plus c multiply b, give me BC. Multiply b square inside, it give me b square c square minus 2a b square c plus multiply b square with a square, it give me a square b square in alphabetic form, minus 4ac multiply inside, 4ac multiply with ab, 4a square b c, minus minus plus 4a b square c, minus minus plus 4 a multiply with a, give me a square, c multiply c, give me c square, a square c square, minus plus minus 4 a b c square, c multiply with c. This question is very important and very crucial. Carefully solve this question and understand it. Now we write here in alphabetic form a square b square first, a square b square, then a square, after a square b square, write b square c square plus b square c square, then a square c square, then a square is 4a square c square plus 4a square c square. When you write these three values, listen carefully. First write a square b square plus b square c square plus a square c square. After that, don't you think that it's square on it, as I show you on the rough? See, suppose it is AB and BC. AB and BC, when multiply them, don't write the square, write without square AB, write without square BC. Okay dear, multiply them. When you multiply them, it gives you a b square c. So just find a b square c. Where a b square c? So let me find here a b square c. This is minus 2a b square c. Something else? A b square c. This is minus 2a b square c plus 4a b square c. So when we solve them, it give me positive 2. Minus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Plus 2 a b square c. Hope so you got it. Now multiply these two without square. Don't write 4. Without square. This is bc. I write it in the rough. bc. Multiply with ac. Don't write 4. ac. Multiply them. It give me a b c square. So find out a b c square. Where a b c square? A b c square, that is the last, minus 4 ab c square. And after that, when you find these two values, last left one, first multiply with the last. What we do first multiply with the second multiply with third, and now first multiply with third. Ab, right here, ab bracket ac, right here, ac inside. Don't write 4. Multiply them, it gives me a square bc. A square bc. Find a square bc. Where it is? A square bc. This is minus 4 a square bc. Something else? Nothing. Minus 4 a square bc. This rough is very, very, very important. Hope so you got it. You understand it. And next, apply the formula as a plus b plus c whole square. You know that formula. I write here in the rough. A plus b plus c whole square. That is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So write all the squares first. We already have all the squares. These 3 squares. Then 2 with 2 with 2 all. But we have 2 here, 4 here, 4 here. So use the empty formula for a square plus a plus b plus c whole square. Use empty formula. So apply the empty formula here. Listen carefully. This step is very important. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is my empty formula. Now I go to adjust the values inside. What is that? AB inside BC. This is 4AC, means we write here 2AC. Okay. These all first second multiply. First AB and second BC. Then second third. Here we write second third. That is BC 2AC. And then first and third. Right here AB and here third 2AC. Okay. Now we judge the values. It comes or not. When open the square, a square b square. When open the square, b square c square. When open the square, 4a square c square. When we multiply them, it give me 2a b square c. Done. When I multiply them, it give me 4a b c square, but it is minus 4a b c square. Means minus in the last two. So in the last two we have the minus. Okay. So from the last two, what is common? In these two, common is 2ac. 2ac is common. This means that 2ac we write minus. What is common? We write minus. So here also we write minus because 2ac is negative. So let me check again. When we multiply them, it gives me minus 4 a b c square. So minus 4 a b c square. When we multiply them, minus 4 a square bc. So minus 4 a square bc. Got it here? When you open this square, it gives you positive 4 a square c square. So this is my formula. A is ab plus bc minus 2ac. That is your square. Again we check it. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. See, all values in empty formula. And this square is called whole square, which is the perfect square. also greater than 0. This value is positive. So hence roots of the given equation are rational. We write here, thus roots of the given equation are rational. That's your proof. Hence proved. This question is very important, very technical to meet the formula. Next part of this question, part number 2. The given equation is a plus 2b x square plus 2a plus b plus c x plus a plus 2c equal 0. So here we go for the solution. We write here, given equation is a plus 2b x square plus 2a plus b plus c x plus a plus 2c equals to 0. This is your standard form of coordinate equation. We hear it here. The value of a is a plus 2b. The value of b is 2a plus b plus c. The value of c is a plus 2c. Apply discriminant b square minus 4ac. I want to prove this equation. The roots are rational. So same question, same part, but different equation. The value of b is 2a plus b plus c whole square minus 4. The value of a is a plus 2b and the value of c is a plus 2c. Open the square. 2 square give me 4. A plus b plus c whole square. Apply the formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This minus 4, I keep it out. Minus 4, keep it out. Multiply all. A multiply a, give me a square plus 2ac plus 2ab plus 2 2s are 4bc. Now from these all 4 we take it common. So right here 4 common. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now open this all. Minus a square minus 2ac minus 2ab minus 4bc. 4 square bracket minus a square plus a square cancel. Minus 2ab plus 2ab cancel. Now after that minus 2ac plus 2ac cancel. B square plus c square minus 4bc plus 2bc minus 2bc left behind. So this is your formula. It's 4. Means we can write that 2 square. Okay. So write here 2 square. And this is your formula, b minus c whole square. And we join the square. 2 into b minus c whole square. This is greater than 0. Also, it is a perfect square because of the squares. 2 square is there, b minus c square is there. So we combine the squares. Okay, dear. When we separated, 2 square separate and b minus c square separate. So it's your perfect square greater than 0. Hence, roots of the given equation are rational. Or you write here like the same wording. Thus, roots of the given equation are rational. Hence proved. That's the end of your question number 8, part number 2.